Chef Paul Lapana from Village Tavern in our kitchen this morning. Would I call this a dressing that you made earlier?
Dressing worked just perfectly.
Because you can put this on just about anything, right? I mean, you can put it on a salad. I know you're making a shrimp cocktail with it, but it's really, really good.
Yeah, you really could. I would suggest if you do that, you really want to whisk it quite heavily, just so it thickens up just a little bit. But yeah, it's got a great flavor to it.
Sure does.
No cheating. Now look, you're getting ahead of the game. You're getting ahead of
Sorry.
That's all right.
I just wanted to taste test, make sure you did a good job, which you did.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so the recipe, by the way, on the website, and this was just fresh juice from a lime and a lemon.
An orange.
An orange. A lime and an orange.
Yes, that's it.
And a little
cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, and olive oil. And honey. Yeah, honey. That's the important one.
So that's what this is. This is delish. Okay.
So we're going to wrap this bad boy and put it together. You know, we talked about a lot of things. Now we're going to keep this separate, and there are some reasons for that. But we have some fresh red onions that are going to go in there. Some red bell peppers. We already talked about the fresh mango.
Yeah.
It's going to go in there.
I like all the colors.
Yes, and that's going to be a really important part. We also have our avocado that's going to go in there. Now, a couple things about shrimp. For some of our viewers who are not familiar with it, there are different numbers on the bags in there. There's 21, 25, there's 13, 15. What those represent is how big these shrimp are. And if it's 13, 15, that means that there are 13 to 15 pieces of shrimp per pound, so they're much larger.
Okay.
Now, you have a couple options with your shrimp cocktail. You can get the smaller ones, so you don't have to cut them as much. You can get the bigger ones if you want bigger chunks. Just like all of your produce, it's really all of a matter of how much you want it to look. Colorful, bright. You want it to blend in a little bit more.
So if you wanted those little tiny shrimp, you wouldn't even cut them up, just throw them in.
Yeah, you can just throw them in there.
Perfect.
Exactly.
Oh, that'll save a little chopping in the kitchen. Okay.
And one really good tip as far as cooking shrimp that helps quite a bit. You can get pickling spice anywhere. At Safeway, at Fry's, I would really advise getting that, because when you cook your shrimp, a lot of people will just boil it, and you kind of get a bland shrimp product there. If you throw a little pickling spice in there, maybe half a lemon, it will absolutely bring your shrimp to life. Not
so don't
literally,
cook it?
but yes, you do cook it. But what happens, it adds a lot of flavor. A lot of pickling spices have cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf, black pepper, so you get that really into your shrimp. It doesn't overpower it, but you do see hints of that. So,
help me understand this.
Yes.
You put that on the shrimp before you cook
No, when you boil it.
Oh,
Thank you for clarifying that. Yeah, everyone's going to be pointing at this. This isn't working.
Because you're telling me
they're going to call me, and they're going to call me, and they're going to say it's not working. So boil it all together, and then you'll get a great product like that. Now, you were talking about color. So once we start mixing this up, and you're exactly right, and this is the part where everything looks good, but it's not that difficult to make. Look at all the colors, the purples, the oranges.
Yeah.
We're going to throw some fresh zest in there. Now, what you want to do is, roughly, the recipe will call for about half of an orange, about 1 full lime, and about 3/4 of a lemon.
Okay.
So if you don't want to measure half a teaspoon for each one of those, I like to add a little more fresh zest in there because it's a great product. It smells good. So now we have 2 different mixes. So now, if you would be so kind, we're going to put this sauce in here.
Oh, this in there? Okay, the whole thing?
Yes. Now we keep it separately just so we can mix all this together.
The whole thing?
Yes, the whole thing. And in the earlier segment, I said that it may look like there's quite a bit of sauce. That's the way it's supposed to look.
Yeah.
So what's going to happen is
kind of soupy.
Everything, all the flavors are going to start to integrate together, and you're really going to be able to taste everything on the mango. You're going to taste everything on the shrimp, on the avocado.
Oh, okay.
So here we have
Should you let that marinate for a little while?
You should.
Okay.
I would say about 4 hours at least. So it's cold.
Okay.
All these products are going to be cold, but for really everything as far as flavor to come together, I would say 4 hours is a good time to do that.
Okay.
So we're going to have this. Then when you're done, what you can do is we're talking about our martini glass. So you can do this a couple ways. You can serve this in a bowl, and you can do it. But personally, if you really want to make it look like you went out of your way for people at your house when you really didn't, that is a good way to do it. So
like that.
Martini glass, you can see through it all. Now, if you would put that glass right in the middle of this bowl.
Okay.
Have some chips with it, just kind of put it around. Now this is an individual appetizer. Can you imagine going to someone's house and that's what you get when you sit down?
Hey, I would be impressed.
Yeah, see?
I would be impressed.
But
you can invite me over anytime.
I'll hold you to that, so you better be careful. But easy peasy, very simple to do.
Easy peasy.
That's right.
Okay, so when we come back in the next segment with you, you are making a healthy margarita. He promises it's healthy.
And as long as you promise not to drink it all on air, then I'll make it. Okay, then that sounds good.
but I'll definitely be right alongside with you, helping you make it. I love
Wonderful.
it, Susan. A healthy margarita. Who
Hey,
doesn't love that?
Well, he just made a healthy martini.
What?